Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired November 24th, 2025. The topic of that episode was Imprisonment Through Mortal Belief. Swami, your insights.
We talk about some of the reasons why the world has given up on the God experience, primarily because of the lack of leadership, which is found only in demonstration.
Looking to liberate your immortality? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam